Hello, and welcome to another Horton Brasses video blog. I wanted to give you a little behind the scenes look at how we make our chase drawer pulls. The pulls we'll be making today are the QA2X, which is the one currently being chased, and the HCCH3, which is the next one we'll be chasing. Now, the one thing I learned while shooting this video is that we actually don't make a lot of these to keep in stock. We usually only make about 20 to 25 at a time, and that's mostly being because they're very time consuming to make. These 20 to 25 pulls are usually enough to fill about 3 to 4 orders worth. Now, before any chasing is done, each of the pulls first needs to be bored to the correct size. To save us time, the ones you see here have already been bored to the 3-inch size. Most of the punches we used to chase were made by Jim Horton. With the exception of the larger floor ones, of course, those were sent out to be professionally made. Some of the newer tools, like the small arcs you see here, were made here in shop by our very own camera shy shop foreman, Steve. The pulls we're making are based on period patterns that date from the late 17th century through the 18th century. Each pull is stylistically unique, and as a result, no two plates will ever be the same. The first step when chasing these plates is to make sure that the floor design is centered and making sure it isn't crooked on the plate. Steve's been doing this for a long time now that he makes it seem effortless and simple. Small circles are placed around the top edge of the plate. Next, the arc designs are placed above and below the boring holes, with enough distance from the holes that they'll still be visible once the post and bails are in place. Lastly, the circular stamps are placed around the bottom edges of the plate, and if the pattern requires them, some are overlaid with smaller circles. Once our plates have been chased, they are taken over to our pneumatic drop hammer, where they are flattened one last time before they are run through the coloring line or polishing process. If you want to see more of our coloring process, be sure to check out our coloring video we posted up, located in the Finishes tab on our website at www.hortonbrasses.com. Here's our finished boards we made specifically for this video, which features one of our other pulls, the QA2. Here it is shown in all 5 finishes available.